Changing your Gmail security key recovery method is important for maintaining your account's security. Follow these steps to update your recovery method effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Ensure you are using the account for which you want to change the recovery method. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section in the left-hand menu. This area contains all the security settings related to your Google account. Step 3. Find recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the ASR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Change security key. Click on the option for security key or manage security keys. Follow the prompts to add a new security key or modify the existing one, ensuring you have the new key on hand. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your security key recovery method, make sure to save any changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Gmail account remains secure with the updated recovery method. Regularly reviewing your security settings is a good practice to protect your information.